Okay, next, propane reacts with chlorine. Okay, you know that propane is basically, okay, propane, right? This is basically a hydrocarbon. No, I don't want to put hydrocarbon. It's basically alkane, right? Okay, alkane plus chlorine, yeah, must be under the presence of UV light, only it will react. Sir, can you explain cracking? Can. Later I explain cracking. Okay, so UV light, and what happened? You form a halogenoalkane, right? And this reaction, we call it as free radical substitution. Okay, but for your level, right, you just need to remember it as substitution. Okay, so free radical, you will learn it in A levels. Okay, so this reaction is substitution. Okay, and UV light. Answer is donkey. Okay, always remember, yeah, addition, the moment you see this addition, addition is only for alkene, and anything with a double bond C. Okay, C double bond C, okay, that will undergo addition, or else it won't undergo addition, yeah? Okay, just now someone asked me to explain about cracking. Okay, let's go. So what is cracking? See, I told you my iPad can last 6%. I think should be able to. Okay, what is cracking? Okay, cracking, basically you need this catalyst, silicon, alumina, or sometimes you call it as silica or alumina. Okay, so what happened to the reaction? So let's say, right, if you have a large alkane, okay, you can crack it up, okay, into one smaller alkane and one small alkene. Okay, example, I can give you this. Example, I have C20H42. I can crack it down into a alkane C10H22 and an alkene C10H20. Or this is the first possibility. At the same time, the second possibility is if I have this large alkane, okay, I can crack it down into a two small alkene and a hydrogen gas. A good example that I can give you is, let's say if I have the same thing, I can crack it down into two C10H20 and H2 gas. Okay, 35. Composition of natural gas. Okay, so which sector represent a methane? Okay, as what I mentioned, okay, as the question, this question already told you the answer. Natural gas contain mostly methane, yeah. Okay, natural gas contain mostly methane. Mostly is D. The majority of them will be methane. Okay, next, which statement describe the reaction between ethene and a steam? Okay, this reaction we call it as addition, or we call it as hydrolysis. Okay, and what will happen is that you will get an alcohol at the end of the day. Yeah? Addition reaction, cracking reaction. Oh my God. I just wrote down cracking earlier. Addition reaction, yes, correct. Ethanol, yes, correct, because it's addition. Yeah, correct. Oxidation, nah, it's not, yeah. Slow reaction producing, you don't produce carbon dioxide. The answer is B, right? Is hydrolysis and hydration the same? Yeah, can say so. Sir, can you also talk about the structure of nylon and amino acid? Can, no problem. Later I'll talk about it. Okay.